Miss Lynn, welcoming you on behalf of 1,230,000 citizens to the proud city of New York. Tell me, how was your crossing?
Vad Gurney?
Come again?
Förlåt mein jag för Stridsberg.
Miss Lind, this here is the United States of America. We speak English.
Engelska.
Miss Lind, you'll be giving a concert on this stage.
Ja, en konsert.
In English.
I don't want to learn English.
You've got no choice.
Choose?
Choice.
Choice?
Choice.
Choice.
Good.
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 That's good.
No good.
That's it. Good evening.
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 Evening, ladies.
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 Ladies and gentlemen.
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 Gentlemen. No, gentlemen. Okay, that'll have to do. And what they can't understand, we'll charge off to European style. And don't forget to smile. If there's one thing no American can resist, it's the smile of a beautiful woman. No American man, anyhow. Well, the show's about to start, so I've got to get into the house. Good luck.
Vad Gurney?
In English.
Ladies and gentlemen.